to get your band logo done. Number 1, decide on the style. There's essentially 4 logo styles. First, word marks like Iron Maiden's is where you just feature the band's name without a whole lot of design in a unique font and color. Second, letter marks like 9 Inch Nails is where you feature the band's name abbreviated without a whole lot of design in a cool font and color. Third, brand marks like the Misfits is where you just include a cool brand image without the band name. And combined marks like Wu-Tang Clan, where you include the band's full name and an image combined together. Note that combined marks are most popular for bands and word marks are most popular for solo artists. Number 2, choose the font and color. Now you want to have the right fonts and colors to communicate the right brand identity in the minds of your target audience. Just take a look at the fonts and colors of Mariah Carey's logo, which is perfect for communicating the glamour, beautiful vibe that she wants to portray. And now contrast that with the fonts and colors in Pink's logo, which is perfect for the strong, punky pop image that she's trying to portray. Bottom line here is that when somebody is scrolling through the internet and they see your logo, you want them to immediately guess what style of music you do without ever having heard you. This is extremely important, so be sure to get it right. Number 3, keep it simple. Be sure to keep your brand logo as simple and clean as possible. Just take a look at classic logos like the Rolling Stones or the Beatles and you'll see how clean and simple they are. Just remember, your logo is going to be shrunk down for use on hats, stickers, and patches, and you still want it to be identifiable and look cool when it's small. Number 4, keep it legal. Now, make sure that your logo idea is both unique and original so that it doesn't copy someone else's design or use graphics that are stock photos or clip art that have legal limited licensing. Now, while on legal issues, you might at some point want to get your logo federally trademark registered, but that's a completely different video, so subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get alerted of that video when it's done. Number 5, hire a designer. Now, unless you're really good at Photoshop, I would not recommend that you DIY your logo since it's so important to your brand. Instead, I would recommend you get a referral from a local band or artist that you trust for a really good graphic designer that knows his or her shit. Or if you don't have a lot of money, you can use an online service like Fiverr, which is actually what I did as an experiment for 20 bucks and actually got a logo I really like. Let me show you. So I went to fiverr.com, put a brief description of what I wanted, attached a sketch, chose graphic and designs and logo design, put 3 days, and typed in $20 and hit submit request. Next, I got a whole bunch of proposals and I just picked the one I liked the most. And in 3 days for 20 bucks, I got 2 logo designs, which I'm pretty much happy with. Now, on another note, I spent $225 for another designer and his work sucked. So the guy that only charged $20 was far better. Go figure. If you want to learn more about marketing or other videos that can help you turn your passion into a more successful business, click on the video link in the description below and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and thanks for watching.